Hi guys, Jordan Sinclair doing the Apple wireless keyboard review. I've had this keyboard for about 5 months. It's been the best purchase I've ever done with a keyboard. So let me show you why you'd want to buy this and why you would want to use one of these. It's so easy and simple to use. You've got all your function buttons here at the top. Right at the top, yeah. You've got your exit button. You've got your brightness buttons, which only work on Apple Cinema displays. So I'm sorry to disappoint you guys with TVs hooked up to Mac Minis. You've got your mission control. You've got your launch pad, F5 and F6, which I believe you can modify, which is quite cool. You've got your rewind button, your play and pause button, your fast forward button, your volume, your mute, and your 2 volume up buttons, and you got your eject key, which is very useful if you're watching a movie in bed. You just eject it from there. And guys, sorry about that bracket there. You got your cap locks, which activate a light as soon as you press it, which I find really handy because you don't know if you've hit it, but this will actually tell you that you've hit it, and you just press it again to turn it off. Also, what I like about this keyboard is how light it is and the finish of it and how slim it is. That lovely finish of aluminium. That is really nice. Apple always make nice stuff, I believe. And we've got the battery department here. You just take that off for money or an SD card. It's up to you what you use for that to open it. I normally use money to open it because it's much easier to open with money and much easier to close with money. So I'll show you now. I'm going to show you the back of it now with the Apple logo in the glass finish. In the grips, you got the 2 grips here, which I find really useful to have, to be honest. I mean, if you're a fast typer like myself and you're really fast, and I'm used to keyboard slipping, but with this one it doesn't actually slip because the grips are absolutely amazing. I'll show you the grips. There's a grip there, there's a grip there, there's 2 grips down the bottom, and there's a big one at the top. So that explains why it never slips, because it's got so many grips on it, which I think is very cool that Apple done that. You've got the power button here, so if you click that button, that'll turn it on. If you hold that button, that'll turn it off. The light should come off, yes. Has that says that it's off, and it should tell you on your computer screen. So that's my point of it. That's my review done on the keyboard. So please feel free to leave any comments down below. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks guys. Peace out.